The world as we know it is changing, and therefore, being a teacher, I've learned to adapt to many of those changes. So, the school year for 2019-2020 has taught me one thing: technology and teaching, they go hand in hand. As of today, I have no idea what the next school year is going to be like. Where I live, school isn't opening until the 21st of September of 2020. So basically, the government is currently just figuring out which plan is going to be more suitable for the public school sector. So today I am sharing with you some tips and tricks to help put together your Bitmoji Classroom to help your online presence. There's a possibility that you may be engaging in blended learning, just some days face-to-face and the others online. So teachers, we rock, and we already have this. With that being said, let's not waste any more time and get right into the tutorial.
Okay everyone, so this is what my bedroom looks like. Try to recreate classroom. So the very first thing that you're going to need is you're going to open up a Google slide. Second thing that you need access to is Bitmoji. So in order to get a Bitmoji account, of course, you would have to go on your phone and create an avatar, one that preferably looks like you because this is your class. And then you would add the extension to Google Chrome or your Apple laptop, whichever one you're using. So then you would go to Bitmoji. So let's just go back so you can see it. So I just typed in the search box Bitmoji extension. So once you type in Bitmoji extension, you want to go here to Bitmoji Google Chrome, and then where it's going to say remove extension, add extension is going to be there. So you're going to add it. You'll know that the extension is added because you're going to see the Bitmoji icon right up here in your area. I can't remember what this is, maybe taskbar. Back to our Bitmoji Classroom where we're going to recreate it. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit this plus button to give us a new slide. Now let's say if you don't have a slide already, when you go to Google Slide, you're going to see a plus button that's really nicely colored with the Google Chrome colors, and you would tap that plus and it would give you a blank document. So the blank document would come in this very format here. These text boxes are not needed for this time, for this presentation. So we're going to remove those text boxes. And then we want to insert a background. And we're going to select, we're going to slide, and then we're going to select change background so that we can format the background that we want. So here you're going to choose an image. Now, because I don't have one saved right now, and I really want to search the web, I'm going to go over to the Google image and then type in what it is that I want to search for. So we want wall, floor, okay. So quite a few designs are going to show up, and you're going to search for one that really stands out or appeals to you. So I like this great one. And once you've selected the one that you like, you click insert. Okay, now we're going to start to insert a few things. Okay, so one of the things we're going to insert is a rug. So you're going to go to insert image, and we're going to move over to search the web. We're going to search the web for a nice rug. Okay, an area rug that we can just put in our classrooms. And one of the keywords that I want you to remember in your search is transparent. You need an image that's transparent because the images that come with the white boxes are really just annoying. Okay, so once you've selected the image, again, insert, and you can go ahead and start moving your image around. Okay, so you can place it where you want it. Let's say if you didn't like this color and you wanted to change the color of the rug, you can go to format, make sure the image is selected, format options, and you can select recolor. So of course they have no recolor for this rug, so You can choose to give it no recolor, or these are the colors that they have available. So let's say I wanted to change it to this light teal. Maybe not light teal. Let's try another color. Be nice. Okay, this gray is beautiful. Okay, and the next thing we're going to look for is a chair. Okay, some seating arrangement for our classroom. All right, let's say before I get the chair, why don't I grab me a board? Okay, so we're gonna look for a dry erase board, transparent. So here it is. You have some selection of boards, and you would look through to see which board appeals to you. Well, this one here, this is a nice one. Okay, so this isn't really what I want per se, because it has desks and chairs in it. So I'm going to go ahead and crop the image to remove the desk and chairs because I really like the board. And then I'm going to resize the board and place it in the classroom. Let's see about this board. Pretty nice. It's a standard board. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and insert a window. I like windows because I just love the natural lighting that comes up with the windows. So we have a transparent window here. I'm gonna hit insert and insert that window into the classroom. And you can resize it, you can make it big. All right, so I am a French teacher, as I've stated before, so I want to insert something about France. So maybe we can find something with the Louvre. Transparent. Oh, this is a nice image. Insert that. Give them a air of French feeling. So we're going to drag the image here and we're going to resize it just a bit. Size it to my window. And now I'm going to order send backward. Okay, there, it looks beautiful. It's almost as if my windows are open to the Louvre in France. Then we're going to insert a clock. Okay, so and we're just gonna look for one that is just normal clock. And we're going to resize our clock and hang it right here on the wall. Okay, so this just looks bland. It just looks, I don't know, it's missing something. So we're going to add some greenery. So we're going to get a hanging plant. So we're going to search for a hanging plant that's going to be nice. I like this. This also brings some color, but it looks so real. I am a fan of purple. Do you think it's transparent? We're going to insert it and see. Not a transparent image, guys. So as you can see, even if I resize it, it comes with all of the white background. So we're going to remove that. We're going to search for a transparent hanging. This one, insert it. Great, it is. And so we're going to move it here and just resize it a bit, you know, just to give the room some pizzazz. Okay, so I'm going to move this here, and then we're going to look for a table to put in the classroom. Okay, so once you find the table that you like, we can go ahead and select the table and insert the table into the classroom. Okay, so this round table is okay for the classroom. So we're going to hit insert and we're going to place our table. So we're going to resize the table and place it right here. There it is in the classroom. And we're going to search now for a bookshelf. Remember, everything must be transparent. All right, so I like this bookshelf. I'm going to use this one. It's similar to the one that I have in my other Bitmoji Classroom, which is awesome. I want my classroom to be user-friendly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to save. Okay, let's click out of there. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to go to Download, and then we're going to download it as a PNG image. Okay, so once we've downloaded our background or Bitmoji Raw Classroom as a PNG image, anytime we want to use the image to create another Bitmoji Classroom, we would just go to the image and upload the background. And so you wouldn't have to go and look for a desk, a rug, a bookshelf, or a plant, or a clock all over again. So this is actually your background. So we're going to continue. Okay. And so now we want to insert, okay, our Bitmoji. Okay, the Bitmoji icon. And we're going to wait for our Bitmojis to come up. Now I'm going to select the Bitmoji that's you're going to actually like for your classroom. So I'm going to drag our Bitmoji from the application into the classroom. And it comes, so I am going to move just made it a little bit slim. I'm not all that slim. So we're going to resize our table to accommodate our Bitmoji. So I'm actually going to get myself a laptop and put it on my desk. So we're going to search for a really nice laptop. Okay, this looks nice. I'm going to insert it right on the table. We're going to resize the laptop so that it fits on the table. Nice and neat. Okay. Over it. Size it again. So this is our laptop and this is me to the laptop. So it's pretty awesome. And then we're going to insert some text on the whiteboard. So you're going to insert text box. You're going to select the size of the text box that you want. Then you're going to left click into the text box and you're going to type in the information that you want to type in. So I'm going to say aujourd'hui. Say, well, today is Thursday, so jeudi. Le 30 juillet. Of course, we don't have school in July, but I'm just going with the date. And I'm going to expand my text box so that it accommodates everything that I have in here. Let's put 2020. There we have it. Okay, so we're done with the date. We're going to insert another text box. And in this text box, we're going to talk about our lesson objectives. Okay, so our objective number 1 is going to be to learn the greetings in French. And then we're going to be able to express how to greet someone. We're off to our final item of our Bitmoji Classroom. So here in the bookshelf, we're going to insert 3 shapes that we're going to make interactive for the students. So these shapes will actually fall in line with what we have in store here for the students. So I'm going to go to the shapes button and I'm going to insert a shape that I like. Then I'm going to change the border color of my shape and the weight of the border, nice and thick. Then I want to go over to the YouTube song that I have selected for the students. Okay, so this song is about greetings. I'm going to go and select or click the share button. Then I'm going to copy the link. Once I've copied the link, I'm going to move back to my Bitmoji Classroom. I am going to right click on the item and then here select link, paste the link, and then I'm going to select apply. So once the students come here to the classroom and they know learn greetings, they're going to move over to the bookshelf and tap on the link, and it's going to take them directly to the song that I want them to focus on for that day. Then I'm going to insert another shape. I'm going to continue to link it for the students. Okay, I'm going to here on this Quizlet activity, I want this complete. I'm going to link a Quizlet activity. By going over, I'm going to copy and paste the link. The link is copied. I'm going to go back to my Bitmoji Classroom and right click, link, and paste it. So these activity on the bookshelves, of course, I would explain to the students on the first day of class that any activity that I have for them would be placed on the bookshelf, and if I have another activity placed somewhere else in the classroom, I will indicate it right here on my board. So our final item for that day is going to be a song of the week. So I'm going to go over here to YouTube. I'm going to copy a French song that I think the students would enjoy, they would learn, it's easy. And then I'm going to also paste the link here. So I'm going to show you another way to paste the link other than right clicking and going down to paste. Here on the taskbar, you're going to see the link button. So you can select it to insert link. I'm going to paste the link, apply, and voila. The students now have access to all of the links that I want them to go to for this class activity. Now, one last thing I'm going to do to our bookshelf items, I'm going to change the color. Okay, so for each item, we're going to give a different border color. And there we have it. Okay, if you want to, you can also include text in the item. So here, let's say the last one I wanted to edit a text. So I'm going to say song, simply put it like that. And I can actually highlight the text and also link the YouTube video to the text if that is my desire. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to highlight the text, link, and paste the link and apply. So here they can go and they can select the text and it's going to take them to the song that I have here for them to listen to. Okay guys, so that ends our tutorial for the Bitmoji Classroom. If there's any questions that you may have, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. I'll be sure to answer them. Enjoy creating your classroom. This is a basic classroom compared to my actual Bitmoji Classroom here. Setting up this border took some time. So in order for me to show you, this video would have been maybe 30 to 45 minutes long, and I didn't really want to bore you. So here you see that I got some books that are in French that you can also, I have placed on the bookshelf. And I went ahead and designed my desk. So it's a lot. It's being creative. Okay, so I would say go ahead and be as creative as you want to be, how you want to just decorate your classroom. Have fun, and I can't wait to see some of your items. Go ahead and leave the link so that I can just view it, take a look at it, and enjoy some of your creativity. Until then, enjoy your summer break and take care.